Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today I will be trying out Posca pens on acrylic sheets, so stay tuned. I bought two Posca pens, they're black and white. I bought this online because the price is cheaper than local store prices. So here are the acrylic sheets that I'm gonna be using today. As usual, I'm gonna begin the process by sketching on a paper. Now let's move the lettering from the paper to the acrylic sheet, and of course, using the Posca pens. Now I'm gonna do the same thing again to make Fox calligraphy, so enjoy the time lapse. Now I'm gonna add some touch-up to make the whole acrylic sheet a bit fuller. Okay, that was ugly because the Posca point is too wide for this little illustration, so I'm gonna draw something else. Okay, so here we are at the last step, and I'm just gonna peel off the mask paper. also made another one using white as the base color, and I really love this one. Okay, so here's the result. It turned out good, and I can't wait to make more, honestly. Also, a funny story is I had a hard time taking pictures of these acrylic sheets because they always make a reflection of myself. But I hope these pictures are fine. I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as I did making it. Goodbye, my friends.